Hi everyone! In this video, we show you how to create an avatar in Playground AI. First of all, open up the playground.com website. Once you get into its site, click to get started. Then, you can create your account in order to create your image, or you can click to continue with Google. After successfully signing in with Google, you will get into its dashboard. Now from here, click to upload an image you want to use as inspiration. Select a photo from your PC and tap to upload it. You can also adjust the image strength from here. Then you can enter what you want to exclude from the image. After passing instructions according to your preference, click to generate the avatar. It might take some time, so you have to wait for a bit. Then the editor will provide you with some suggestions to make changes in your avatar. You can choose to make those changes if you want, such as you can make it a happy Pixar character, young or adult with open eyes. If you want, click to generate the avatar again. Then, click to download the image from here. Right after that, click to open up the Canva site. Once you get into its site, click on Apps from the dashboard. Then search here for HeyGen AI Avatars. Once you find the app, click on it and then click to use the new design. After that, tap to upload the download image here. Now the image is uploaded into this design, and you can make the changes in it according to your requirements. You can add the scripts for your avatar and choose a voice for it. After selecting such options, click to generate AI video. Then you can click on the generated and add it to the design. Or you can make another video to add on your avatar. Once you're done with everything, click the share button. And then click to download the video from here. Thanks everybody for watching. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Goodbye.